A simple curtain for the bulkhead in a campervan. We bought the rail at IKEA. The hooks are included. You will also need an iron, fabric, upholstery chalk, a square ruler, and a steel ruler. To start, it's best to work straight of grain. Using a square ruler along the edge of the fabric, I draw a straight line. With sharp fabric scissors, I cut off the edge. The space behind the seats is minimal, so I want to use as little fabric as possible. Otherwise, it becomes too bulky. When closed, this curtain is flat, with no pleats. The dimensions depend on your vehicle. Do you want pleats? For a single pleat, you'll need twice the width of the window in fabric. I use eyelets as curtain rings. I have a press with dies, but hand tools are also available. Before installing the eyelets, the fabric is folded and sewn first. To make sewing easier, I fold the fabric over a ruler. This one is 3 centimeters. Then I fold it again and press it once more. This way, you don't need to overlock the edges, and you get a clean, straight finish. Very useful when sewing the hem. Repeat this on all 4 sides of the curtain. This is what it looks like. Now we move to the sewing machine and stitch the hem all around. Secure your stitches at the beginning and the end. As you can see, I guide the edge of my presser foot along the fold. This helps me sew straight. I work in small sections. Here's a corner. Make sure you stitch all the way to the edge, so the corner is properly secured. Now we reach the bottom edge. Later, we'll sew another line on the other side of the hem. And another corner. You see? It lines up nicely, giving you 2 stitch lines on both sides. One more corner. To prevent loose threads, I carefully melt them. But be careful, my fabric can handle heat. Always test this on a small piece first. I always use flame retardant fabrics. I place an eyelet every 10 centimeters, so I mark those positions. This is my press, with dies to punch the holes. First, I make all the holes, then I switch the dies. These are the parts for the eyelets. And and this is how they are pressed together. This is what the eyelet looks like. Let's test the curtain on the rail before installing it in the camper. Looks good. To mount the rail, I use 3 brackets. With a center punch, I make a small dent in the steel. This prevents the drill from slipping. Then you click the rail into the brackets. And here is the final result. And it works. See you in the next video. Ma.